students, see in the first part of this chapter we have seen that how Vidyasagar was studying under the street light, and as well as he was helping his mother. As he was very keen in studies, he wanted to study, he wanted to do something in his life, he was doing very hard work. Now let us see the second part of this chapter. Let us read, if Vidyasagar could find time for his books, so can you. Means if in his such a busy schedule, and as well as he was not having light at home, he was sitting under the street light and studying, he can do that. Why he can't? We are having all the facilities, light, everything we are having, books, teachers, parents, everything we are having, and we are getting all the resource which we need to study, though we are not studying. Watching television when there is homework to be done is bad management of your time. But to watch television when all your work is done is a good management of time. In this paragraph, it is said that if we have our homework pending, if we have not done our homework and we are watching television, that is bad thing and bad management of time. And but if we have completed all our work and we are watching television, that is the good time, means good management of time. A good student always uses times with care. When you have time to spare, do you idle it anyway, or do you spend it in reading a book and in developing a skill or a talent? Means if we are having time, means we have completed our homework and all. After that, what we are doing? We are just wasting our time in television or in other things, or we should have a habit of reading a book, any other book apart from your school book, any story book, or anything which creates a skill and talent. Isaac Newton used his spare time conducting experiments in a laboratory while his friends played or slept. We all know about the Isaac Newton, that he was doing experiment in the lab, others, their friend, were playing and sleeping. A student is often confronted with disappointment and failure. What should you do at such times? The answer is never give up. We should never give up when we fail. Since Isaac Newton, he started his experiment. He was not successful on his first attempt. He tried so many times. Then he could get the result. So we should never give up. There is always another chance, and you must go on trying till you succeed. We should always try till we succeed. President Ho Chi Minh of Vietnam learned this lesson at a very early age. The president have learned a lesson in his very early age, that when he was just a boy, he ran away from home after having failed in an exam. As he was running, he heard the voice of Buddhist monk, which said that life never stops. Means he had failed in his exam and he was running from his home because he could not face that. He was not able to face the people, he was not able to face the parents, teachers, everyone. So he was running from his home. Then he heard a voice of a Buddhist saying that life never stops. Means that was not the end of his life, he could try next time. Like water, it flows on and on. Like water, it flows on and on. Means it is like nobody stops for anything. If somebody goes, comes, life never stops, it always continues. See next page. This gave him hope and courage to try again. He returned home and continued with his studies. In time, he became a great national leader. That gave a motivational courage to him. The speech gave that life never stops. That gave him a courage, and he went home again back, and he tried, he studied very well, and in future he became a great national leader. Perseverance is the key to success. What is perseverance? It is trying to do something during difficulties or failure time, or after the failure time. Young Bopadev learned this while sitting on the edge of the well. You can see one Pandit Bopadev is sitting on the edge of the well. He noticed that the particular spot on which the water pitcher was placed was marked by a pit. It occurs him that the constant placing of a pitcher could leave a mark on the bricks. Then if he preserved with his studies the knowledge in his books, could also leave a mark on enlightenment on his mind. Thinking this, he pursued his studies and emerged as a renowned grammarian. Bhopa Dev was sitting on the edge of the well. He saw that keeping continuously the picture, it make the mark on the well. So he thought, if this picture can make a mark, if he also study and gain knowledge, he can also make a very good mark in the people's mind. And he did that. He studied well and became a great grammarian. A healthy mind must dwell in a healthy body. This is why sports and physical trainings are an important part of school life. It is not the sports field. Means along with the studies, we should also have the sports and physical activities, which is a part of school, that you have learned to build up loyalty and team spirit. Sports help us to build the loyalty and team spirit. You learn to share, to follow instruction, and show courage or initiative when they are needed. Means with the physical activities, with the sports activities, these all values are inculcated, and we show courage when the time or when it is needed. If your mind and body are both active and you keep them racing towards achieving the goal you have set yourself, then being a student can be the most enjoyable experience of your life. We always remember, students, that if we have achieved something in our future, like as I was also a child, now I remember my days, that how I have spent my life, how I have studied, how hard work is done, so I am here today. Same way, we should always remember for the good things. We should always remember our childhood for the good things. For that, we have to start studying from now itself, so that we can attain something in future. We can achieve some post, good post. We should become a doctor, engineer, or anything, whatever you wish in your future. For that, you have to start studying from now itself. So we have completed this lesson. I will send the questions in your group that you have to write in your note.